Across the scorching plains of South Asia, Australia, Africa, and the Americas, the gray Brahman bull has earned a reputation for unmatched endurance. Its silver-gray coat, powerful frame, and striking white horns make it one of the world's most recognizable cattle breeds. Beyond the open grasslands, legally sourced byproducts begin an extraordinary industrial journey, where modern factories transform natural materials into premium leather and elegant horn products.
The journey begins after the cattle have entered the normal agricultural and food supply chain. Instead of allowing valuable materials to go to waste, the hides and horns are carefully collected for manufacturing. Every hide is identified and recorded, while each horn is sorted by size, thickness, color, and overall condition. Skilled inspectors ensure that only quality materials continue into the production line. Fresh hides are thoroughly cleaned with high-pressure water to remove dust, dirt, and loose contaminants. They are then preserved using carefully measured salt or refrigerated. Storage to protect the natural collagen fibers during transportation. This important step prevents decomposition and helps maintain the strength, flexibility, and quality required for producing premium leather used in luxury goods. At the same time, the horns begin their own preparation process. Workers wash every horn before removing any remaining organic material with specialized tools. Bright inspection lights reveal natural grain patterns, thickness, and structural quality. Premium white horns are selected for luxury accessories, while smaller pieces are reserved for practical, handcrafted products and decorative items. The preserved hides arrive at a modern tannery, where giant stainless steel drums slowly rotate with clean water to dissolve the preserving salt and restore natural moisture. Computer-controlled systems monitor temperature, drum speed, and timing throughout the process. As the hides become soft and flexible once again, they are prepared for the advanced tanning stages that will transform them into durable, high-quality leather. The softened hides move to automated fleshing machines, where precision rollers and sharp rotating blades carefully remove the last traces of fat and connective tissue. This delicate operation exposes the dense collagen fibers without causing damage. Skilled technicians continuously monitor the equipment, ensuring every hide leaves the machine clean, smooth, and ready for the next stage of processing. Next comes the limbing process. The hides enter massive rotating drums filled with carefully controlled alkaline solutions that loosen the hair and dissolve unwanted proteins. Computerized systems maintain exact temperatures, mixing speeds, and treatment times. This scientific process prepares the hides for tanning while preserving the natural strength that premium leather is known for. After limbing, automated dehairing machines gently remove the loosened hair, revealing a clean and even surface. The hides are repeatedly rinsed before passing through delimbing and baiting, where additional treatments restore flexibility and refine the fiber structure. Every step is carefully controlled to create leather that is soft, durable, and consistent in quality. Meanwhile, the cleaned white horns enter temperature-controlled heating chambers. Gentle heat softens the natural keratin, allowing the horns to be reshaped without cracking or losing their unique appearance. Experienced operators carefully monitor every minute of the process, because precise temperature control is essential for producing high-quality horn materials. While still warm, the softened horns are placed inside powerful hydraulic presses that gradually flatten their natural curve into workable sheets. After cooling, every sheet is inspected under bright lighting for hidden cracks or imperfections. Only the finest pieces continue to precision cutting, where they will begin their transformation into premium combs, buttons, jewelry, and luxury accessories. The prepared hides now enter the tanning department, where massive rotating drums slowly immerse them in carefully controlled tanning solutions. Over many hours, these solutions bond with the collagen fibers, transforming the raw hide into durable leather that resists moisture, wear, and natural decay. This is the stage where the material gains the strength needed for years of everyday use. Once tanning is complete, the leather passes through powerful squeezing rollers that remove excess moisture while preserving its natural grain. Automated measuring systems record the thickness and surface area of every hide. Skilled inspectors examine each piece under bright lighting, ensuring it meets strict standards before moving to the finishing line. To achieve perfect consistency, the leather enters precision shaving machines that trim every hide to an exact thickness. The smooth sheets are then dyed with carefully prepared gray pigments using automated spray systems. Multiple thin coats create a rich, even color, while allowing the natural grain pattern to remain clearly visible beneath the finish. In the horn workshop, flattened horn sheets are transferred to computer-guided cutting machines. High-speed blades shape the material into carefully measured blanks for combs, buttons, jewelry, keychains, and decorative accessories. Digital layouts maximize every sheet, reducing waste while preserving the horn's beautiful natural patterns and unique color variations. The rough horn pieces continue to skilled craftspeople and CNC carving machines, where every edge is refined with remarkable precision. Fine tools create smooth curves, detailed shapes, and elegant finishes without damaging the natural material. Each component is carefully checked before moving forward, where polishing and final assembly will reveal its distinctive beauty. The dyed leather now enters the finishing line, where protective coatings are applied to improve durability, flexibility, and resistance to moisture. Heated polishing rollers smooth the surface while preserving the natural grain. Skilled technicians inspect every hide for consistent color, texture, and finish. Before it advances to product manufacturing, computer-controlled cutting machines scan each leather sheet to achieve maximum material efficiency. Precision blades cut hundreds of perfectly matched panels for handbags, wallets, belts, watch straps, and other premium accessories. Every component is labeled and organized, ensuring accurate assembly and complete traceability throughout the production process. Meanwhile, the shaped horn pieces pass through several stages of sanding and polishing. Fine abrasive wheels remove tiny imperfections before soft buffing compounds reveal the horn's natural shine. Some pieces continue to laser engraving, where precise patterns, decorative artwork, or brand markings are added with exceptional accuracy. Finished leather panels and polished horn components move to skilled assembly teams. Industrial sewing machines create strong, even stitches, while craftsmen carefully install buckles, clasps, buttons, and decorative horn details. Every product is inspected for alignment, strength, appearance, and flawless craftsmanship before receiving final approval. The completed products enter the final quality control department, where every item undergoes careful inspection under bright lighting. Approved goods are cleaned, packaged in protective materials, and prepared for shipment to customers around the world. From tropical grasslands to advanced manufacturing, this remarkable journey demonstrates how modern technology and skilled craftsmanship transform legally sourced natural materials into premium leather and elegant horn products.